मेरा स्टोरी कुछ अलग है. I've been a corporate executive all through my life. So suddenly one fine day I decided to get into business. So mindset was, as you know, your mindset, I was in those frames. So when I started business, my intention was only to how to grow the business. When I was an employee, मुझे investment की कुछ पता ही नहीं था. Only things I knew was to save tax. I had to have a house loan. And I should have an insurance. Like Rajiv ji said, उसका returns कुछ आना चाहिए था. And then nothing else beyond that. And then SIP का नाम इधर वो सुनता था, वो एक छोटा एक SIP स्टार्ट कर लिया और बीच में छूट गया, ऐसा हो रहा था. Then I joined your course and all that stuff. But then suddenly now I realize that when I was doing my business, I always felt that I don't have money. I have to get money from here, there and all. Suddenly today I realize that I have a portfolio of 80 lakh rupees.
Wow.
Which I didn't know from where it came. Thanks to your team. You know, they've been so coordinated. You know, they're coordinating regularly, and then they keep on guiding me what to do, what not to do, and all that stuff. So suddenly I realized that the money has grown about 14.5% so far. So I don't know from where it has come. So I'm so happy that I am feeling wealthy by 80 lakh rupees today, which otherwise I wouldn't have had money with me at all.
That's amazing.
That's how it started. So now then again, you know, now my business also, your team has brought me into the business also. The business also is getting into it. So now it's a proper structured way of doing things with a lot of research that you guys do. So you know, it's like, you know, I don't even have to think twice, because when Abhinav calls me and tells me, sir, ye cheez acha hai, we should do it, so it's done without thinking twice. So that's how, you know, sometimes 2 lakh rupees is invested, sometimes 5 lakh rupees is invested, it's getting invested. And from where the money is coming, I don't know. Don't ask me where it's coming. But it's coming. Right? So उस हिसाब से, you know, now I know more about finance. So अभी मेरे दिमाग से एक अटक गया है कि मतलब there is a standard process being followed by you and your team. All I need to do is just follow the directions that you give me, and then I'm done. So the future is going to be like that only. Now I'll have to look at how I should get my company involved better in this, so that, you know, the taxes are saved.
Yeah.
So which we discussed some time back. You know, after that somehow didn't go through. We'll have to get into that aspect. So that's been how it is. So next thing is, now I have to sit with you and your team is, how do I get 5 lakh rupees every month?
Yeah.
When I started, I was put under what do you call, when you categorize us, low risk or something like that. Now we have upgraded me to medium risk.
अच्छा, risk tolerance भी change हो गया.
So the risk taking capability has gone up.
Yeah.
That's all primarily because of how the whole system worked, actually, you know. So that's how it is. So yeah, I guess that's how I don't think I have much to say, but then my association has been about 2 years now, and 2 years I feel we have done decently good. So you are the one who has to rate us how we have done it, but then I'm pretty satisfied with it.
Amazing. I'm very happy for you.